push, don't let it go. Endless market, don't be a zero. Get those daily payouts, but don't go too far. Risks are hard, so tread carefully, don't be a star. Discipline and caution, they're your best friend.
Hello. We are here. What up? Good afternoon. What do we got here today? All right. Let's see what we got. 15-minute looking pretty bullish. Going to probably remain bullish until ES takes out the all-time highs at the not too far from it 6508 area. It's kind of my thinking. What up, Sean? Esvin in the house. Did you guys have a good weekend? I'm thinking that we open up and we just blast through that 625. I mean, I would like in a best case scenario, right? Best case scenario, it would be kind of cool if we could pull back into this area and then blast up. I just don't know that we get it. Just don't know that that's something that we get. We'll see. What's up, Jen? Yes. Shobit in the house. All right, let me give me some music playing. Let's get some music playing over here. What do we want to listen to? What do we want to listen to? A little bit of upbeat music, I think. Yeah, Sean, I mean, I'm just talking about the gap, right? If we could gap down here, that would be awesome to give me confidence to think we'd run up quickly here, but I think we're probably just going up too. Yeah, Sean, kind of. I need something very specific, so. Not really, Austin. I looked at a few things, but not really. I didn't do much back testing. I did back test something that Pine Tree had mentioned to me, which was the first inside bar waiting for the candle to close outside of it and then take it. And that did not turn out too well. I think because a lot of times we had already ran the liquidity before that happened. That strategy came out to be 40% win rate, which is not very good. You think the rates will drop? They might. All right, let's check Take Profit Trader. Let's see how close we are. Let's see how close we are to our bonus and the giveaway. I did not yet, Sean. I do plan on it, though. I don't know if the deal ends today or tomorrow or what, but I'm going to pick one up. Was going to get one. Honestly, this is the first time I've turned my computer on since very early in the day yesterday. All right, we still need 20 sales to get the bonus on Take Profit Trader. 20 sales. I mean, I really want to have that done by Thursday. That means 5 a day for the next 4 days. I'd like to have it done before then, just saying. The trade day sale does end on the 31st. I don't think too many people have taken advantage of it. They banned you? What happened, Sean? This should be interesting. What did you do, Sean? What did you do? You know, off on their support team. Oh. That might do it. Sometimes. That might do it. I just woke up, guys. That's my confession. I just woke up. I just woke up. Trying to decide what account I'm going to trade at the open. Sam Olivier. Sam, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Yeah, I'm trying to decide what account I want to trade. We are going to try to break out the 12-hour stream tomorrow, guys. I'm going to do my best to stream for 12 hours tomorrow. I haven't decided what time it's going to start yet. It's either going to be 1:45 a.m. Eastern to 1:45 p.m. or 2:45. Crypto's down bad? I don't know. Just close to all-time highs? I'm not quite sure. Sam, I'm not in a position. I'll be entering one at the open, though. I'll be entering one at the open. I'm probably going to take the 5-second break. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I don't know, Sam. I mean, my lean is up. I'm looking for longs. I mean, if we just look at the bigger time frame, right? I mean, there's not really anything in here that says short. I could see us rebalancing this gap down here. Like, I would not be shocked if we pulled back and rebalanced that gap. A lot of times at all-time highs, it does not even care to rebalance the gap. I mean, we have the all-time highs up here, 805, and ES is so close to it. Yeah, I do know we're 300 points off it, but a 7,500 point gap up, and we're there quickly, right? We don't know what's going to happen, so. But it's kind of what I would be thinking. Let's mark out the previous day close. This thing's got that stupid gray box there again. We got to remember how to take that off. What up, Coach Fred? Let me see. Maxie. I don't remember. Show. I know it was somewhere in here. Is that what it was? I think so. Alright. I don't like that gray being there. Say the open hits, it goes up like an absurdity. It might. I mean, I don't know 100%, right? Nobody does. What I'm going to be waiting for is kind of the reaction. We'll react to it. We're going to react to it. And we might take an inside bar or something. I don't know. I mean, I'm probably going to take the 5-second break. Go for 10 points on this My Funded Futures funded account. That's what I'm thinking. See if we can get $200 in that account quickly for the day. All right, let's get a giveaway fired up. You guys want to do a giveaway? Let's fire up a giveaway. Oops. That's wrong. Oh, there we go. Exclamation point cash in the chat. It would be funny if Georgia was here. What up, Joe Trades? How you doing? Probably going to be an Apex account. Apex account most likely, unless we get 20 sales. 20 sales, we'll see. Okay. Oh, I got well, it's fine. Oh, man. What'd you guys eat for dinner? My Bulenox just disconnected. Did you guys have why did my Bulenox disconnect? I didn't eat dinner yet. I had kind of a late lunch. Your Quan Tower did? Yeah, my Bulenox just disconnected. What up, Slow Boy? Good afternoon. Good morning, Slow Boy. Good afternoon. Hold on. I think it's like very early morning, Slow Boy, isn't it, where you're at? And at like 6 a.m.? Tommy just had breakfast. I think Slow Boy might have too. Well, my Bulenox is disconnected. TJ Plays in the house. Guys, join me tomorrow morning for the 12-hour stream. Again, I'm going to be live probably 1:45 or 2:45. I'm not quite sure yet. Haven't 100% decided. So 10 a.m. Okay, that's not bad though. It's not late. Fried eggs with onion, bacon, and peppers. Ugh, onion. I like onion if it's. I can eat onion if it's cooked. I don't like onion just raw. That might be a little weird, but. All right, 2 minutes here. Tommy just activated 3 PAs. Good luck, sir. All right. We're going to start off here on the huge time frame. The huge time frame of the 5-second chart. The huge time frame. We got 1:45 seconds. Tactical Reviews is ready for the dump. It could happen. I have no idea. Looking forward for the 12th. What's going on the 12th, Coach Fred? Oh, the 12-hour. Never mind. Thank you, thank you. You don't go on tilt. Tommy, just implement some rules, brother. Put some rules in. Trying to get you eating healthier. Me too. I'm telling you, I gotta start eating healthier too. Nobody's forcing me to. It's just something I want to do. All right, basically, we're going to look for the 5-second break. Yeah, Sean, I'm going to roll out with the 12-hour tomorrow. We're going to try to go for 100 subscribers gained, and we're going to try to do a few other things. Hit the goal on Take Profit Trader will be nice. After Jackson Hole, it went down 25 of the last 27 meetings. I did short off the 5-second break Friday, but the 5-minute trend line break, and it didn't quite get to my first target. And it did invalidate that trend line. All right, 20 seconds. Let's see what happens. I'm going to scroll out, and then I will scroll in once we see where the gap is. All right, here it is. The gap is up. Where's the fucking... I don't see the candle. Why don't I see the candle? Guys, where is the candle? I don't know what's going on here. I can't see it. What in the hell is going on? Is it because I took that off? God dang it. Oh, all right. I guess I took the gray area off the wrong way. What side did it break? All right, I went long and it never had broke it. All right. Let's see if we can get our 10 points back. I misplayed this. Misplayed this big time. I need to measure out. Yeah, I mean, that's about where I think it goes. It might go a little lower. I'm kind of annoyed there. I couldn't see it, so I just kind of guessed. Hold on. Huh. You gotta be kidding me, guys. I just noticed I'm on a freaking micro. What the hell? I'm on a micro. I was supposed to be on a mini and I'm on a micro. God dang it. Doing more swing trading now? Oh, nice. Alright. That's annoying. I really missed the entry here. It still did not hit the target, so if it retests, I guess I'll take it. You're going to use 3 to 5 micros, Tommy? Yeah, makes sense. I guess not, Trev. I was trying to turn the gray box, get this gray box to go off here. And I thought that I had turned that off, but I guess I didn't. I mean, it did go 15 points. You know what? I might abandon this. It did go 15 points already. All right, let's just go to a normal chart. Mess that up. We messed that up, guys. That's all right. Where's candle open at? 602. Never retested my entry there. Just kind of going without me. Trivia, yeah. I don't know why I did that. I could have just sat on my hands, but kind of end of day low here. I had some of this stuff marked out already, but so I was talking about I wouldn't be surprised if we rebalance this 15-minute. That up there. All right. All right, got those levels marked back out. So off that break, I mean, it is up 20 points now. Let's see what happens here if we sweep this low. Good news is that first loss was only $20 instead of $200. There we go. Looking like that 531's on deck. On deck. On deck to that upper room. I'm reading Mancini's letter now. Let's see what it says. 64.74. He would not buy again. It was tested 2 times today. One option would be if we flush that micro shelf to 64.67. 64.67. Or 64.61. Then recover. Below there is 64.55. $64.55. ES will begin a sell down to the range. Okay. So kind of a sweep of 67 or a sweep of 61 and recovery. What up, ICT? Scalping. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you. What up, Black Beauty? Black Beauty, what are you thinking? All-time highs? I mean, that's my lean. I don't think we're in a sell yet, right? Hey, Captain Singh, Dimvinder Singh. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. You the man. You side to the down. ICT, I took the 5 second, or I didn't really. I just jumped in a couple of trades there quickly, and one loss, one win. But I accidentally was on a micro, so nothing crazy. So yeah, we'll see kind of what happens. Quick short to the open green on it. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I think it makes sense for us to run the 531 here, most likely. I just got to find a spot to try to get in before we get there. I could just short on the break of 40 on momentum. That is a little scary to do, though. I mean, you might could short off the pushback up into 63 as well. Mostly everything we were told as kids has been lies. No doubt. No doubt. I don't know if you truly believe in that level down there, you could take it while I'm swimming in your... Kind of balance that gap there. Do I try it? I could short it here. Probably gonna wait. If it pushes up to 74, I'll jump in. Tech T in the house. What up? Damn it, would have already went 10 points. Holy cow. I didn't even know that. A little bit of volatility this afternoon, huh? She's a moving around. Moving around. Yeah, they're defending the 550, but once it breaks, I think we see a decent push down through this 31 level. Like I said, you could have shorted this touch here, but could have shorted that area. I just was kind of looking up here, and I thought to myself we might retest the next level up, so I wanted to wait. We'll see. Max in there barking at who knows what. Starting to slow down here, lose a little bit of steam. Come on now. Give me something. I'm trying to be a little bit patient here. Wait for an actual setup. The 5 second hit so hard today, though. Man, I missed it. You know, I normally take the 15 second. It paid 2. 15 second short paid 40 points. With basically no drawdown. 5 second, very similar. Boom. All right, we're getting a little push up here. $570 area, I'll take it. 571 up there at that 50 EMA. I think I'm willing to take a short off that level. Where's y'all's VWAP at? My VWAP is not showing up. Where's y'all's VWAP at? If you don't mind me asking. 571. Oh, it's right there where I kind of want to short at. I'll short up there. Perfect. I think I'll take the short up there in that area. Might see if we can get that run back down into like the 550. I don't know why mine does not show up on here. Like, it's only in the after hours that it does this, or, you know, like the Asia, Globex Asia session. Every other hours it shows up. I'm not quite sure why it does this. I'm not sure. What up, Francis? How you doing? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. That's not... Wait a second. This is on NQ. Pine Tree is showing that this is an inside bar on the 5-minute. I'm not showing that on mine. Yeah, that's not an inside bar on my chart. What about on y'all's chart? Is this showing as an inside bar on your chart? Is he on? He's not on micros. Or is that showing as a harami? It might be showing as a harami. Never mind. It's not showing it on mine, Treff. It shows as a harami, but not an inside bar. Inverse girl in the house. Took a chance and got 200 across your funded. No trading in New York. Let's go, Francis. Nice job. Man, do I take it here? Yeah, no, I get it that those are sometimes called the same thing. Consider the same. I don't know, Texie. I got another one too. Oh, it's an inside bar on micros. Yeah, I don't use micros though for my charting. I'm kind of wanting to take this here. I don't know if we get back to the 70. I don't. Well, maybe we do. Never mind. Got the 50 EMA right there as well, so... I don't know if we get there. Trade day, you can have 3, Francis. 6 total, 3 at one time. Yeah, I do see the ES at the VWAP here. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and take it right here. I don't know that it gets up there. And I'm just going to look for the 52 level. Just look for 10 points. Stop to break even really like 56. So something like that. 56, yeah. Western Shadow. Oh. All right, that's kind of the break-even point right there. I hit the wrong button. I wasn't trying to exit the trade. God dang it. Oh, guys, I'm not on my game tonight. I am not on my game. How did I hit the flatten button? I was trying to move the stop. I was trying to go over and move the stop. There's my target. Oh, me. All right. Let's regroup. That's a couple of mistakes tonight already. Already a couple of mistakes. All right. That's okay. Yeah, I was short there, Black Beauty. Just looking for 10 points to the 52. And it hit. And I accidentally hit flatten. I don't even know how I did that. I was trying to like move the mouse. I had the mouse resting here. And I tried to move it over to grab the stop, and as I touched the mouse, I guess I accidentally hit the button. Yeah, exactly, Tech T. It didn't cost me, well, it cost me money, but it didn't really, it's not a huge deal. That sucks, though. It's frustrating, for sure. Well, hopefully you guys caught the 10 points. I didn't get the 10 points. We're down $10. Down to $10. We could potentially enter again. I mean, it's risky, but we could. I mean, I do think if we break 40, we run through the 30 pretty quickly. I do kind of think that. Or maybe we actually get to push back up into the 50. I mean, technically this is now a protected high. I noticed that they don't mean as much during this time of day. So I don't usually play those all that often. But what needs to happen for us to retouch that high is we have to re-breach this low. Or typically, that's what happens. Drop it at 7. It might. I think we got to sweep the low pawn there before we get a little pump back up, potentially. This is a wick that took out a wick inside a fair value gap, so it's technically protected now. It doesn't mean that it can't be taken. It just means that it's a little bit more difficult. Like, if it did sweep this, it's actually kind of bullish. Got to take out the low that created the swing in order for it not to be protected. But this is a small fair value gap, and we are in Globex, so I'm not quite sure if those play out quite as well during this time of day. Probably not. Sucks that I misplayed that. I mean, to be fair, I probably should be... Yeah, I guess we still should be up 200 either way. Oh. Do I just jump in short here? I do think it's... Man, if it jumps in short here and it loses, though, that's kind of the kick in the nuggets. Don't know if I want to be doing that on a funded account. If I was playing on an eval here, I might be a little more aggressive. Good thing this time of day it kind of gives you time to think, right? Should I do that? Should I not do that? $561, I might. There's 3 points off this level. He was going short from open. What up, Mo? You just wary of the shorts with the 5 and 15-minute chart being such a big bull flag. They are, but you do got that. You got that level down there that needs to be rebalanced.
Can Madison come home with me?
What?
Can Madison come home with us tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, and then we take her home before night.
I guess.
Yippee! Y'all want to see Max? Why are you so fat, Max? Y'all can't even see him. Because of your background.
I kind of want to take the short here, guys. I don't know. Waiting. Sorry, it's my daughter just came here. Asking me some questions. Why you asking all these questions? I do think if we get back through the 50 here, I mean, like, I don't know. Kind of setting up with a little bit of 1 minute trend line here, but I do want to jump in. I think 43 makes a lot of sense. Just watching here, trying to see. Under VWAP, yeah, I don't even have the VWAP on here. It won't show up. All right, I'm going to jump in. I think we run through the 43 level if we can just push... if we could just push down here below this low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go break even on this low. And I'm going to park my stop above this high here. Kind of above VWAP and above that protected high. So I'm going to go break even here at this level here. So I'm going to go break even at this level, and we'll target the 44. Yeah, it's definitely looking weak. 569. I feel like I'm chasing it here, and I guess theoretically I kind of am, but got to get through that 50 level there to continue lower. I mean, I could target lower here, but I think 543 543 level's the first target down here. We have already ran 40 points, so more than that realistically to the downside. You know, off the close 35, but off the open basically 60 points. Kind of shorting the bottom here too. I don't know. I might talk myself out of this trade. I'm going to be honest. I don't know that I'm being patient enough here. New 15-minute candle in 30 seconds. So let's see. Accumulation Friday, manipulation market open now. I think you're good for the distribution to the downside. Oh, god dang it. We did rip on, the thing is though, we did rip on Friday higher. Alright, that's my stop to break even. I looked away for a minute. What up, TJP? I want to see some continuation here, obviously. Considering just taking the $100 here, to be honest, but now we will lock in the 100. So close to me there. 1 point. All right. Up $115 on that funded account now. Like I said, I kind of thought that was like, I mean, it feels like a chase play, right? Now this high is no longer protected, so we'll see what price wants to do there. 43 is your bounce area. So 43 is the first level down, 28 the next level. Thanks, G Wizzy. It's kind of a chase play. I don't know, it had me a little spooked. Shorting 600 open would have been sweet. Yeah, for sure. I think it's going to hit the target. I think it might even hit the 31. I think that's kind of where it's going. Maybe a little bounce at the 43 wouldn't shock me. 43 push back up to the 50 one more time. Area and then push down into the 30s. So I should be up like $300 if I had managed stuff properly, but that's all right. We're up $114 on our My Funded Futures funded account. Still in drawdown, down $366 in drawdown. So we still got work to do on this account. But we've already got like, I mean, I've got like $800 or $900 days. We just have to get it into profit to where we want it. I had that one day where I lost the daily loss limit on it, and that's kind of screwed me up. So just trying to chip back at it. Chip back at it. I expect kind of a bounce at the 43 level. Well, we kind of front run that 43 level there by a few ticks, huh? 45. Yeah, I got another Quantimer upgrade that I got update that I got to do. Guys, remember, we got a lot of sales are going to be ending at the end of the month. A lot of sales. So don't wait to pick up your accounts. A lot of the sales will be gone at the end of the month. What up, Steam? Tommy says, taking a nap for an hour and a half. Going to be a long night. Let's go. If you want to give it to someone else, we'll do. Appreciate you being here. BKR, there's been no first 5-minute inside bar yet. I don't know. Y'all's charts are showing different than mine. I don't have one on mine. I know Pine was saying something about one, but none of these are inside bars yet. Like, this is not... If we zoom in, you can see the low of that candle is below the low of this candle, so that's not an inside bar. That's not. I mean, I don't see an inside bar yet. Rumor that Quantower is going to start supporting Trade Evade. Oh, that'd be interesting. Alfred, we'll see. Yeah, I don't know. Pine Tree showed one. I don't think that. I don't think that was an inside bar. I don't know. What do we got at Bulanox? Still 83%. Planning on any the Soccer World Cup games? No, I'm not big on soccer mode. I like soccer. But I don't watch it per se. I do like some of the World Cup stuff, but yeah, I don't go to any. I've never been to an actual soccer game, to be honest. Never been to one. But yeah, I'm waiting. I got the inside bar indicator on, and it's not showing me an inside bar yet. All right, so this low is this high is no longer protected, guys. This is no longer protected, so we can take that off there. But the thought process was right there though. Like, okay, this is protected. We got a high. We got the VWAP. Put our stop up here somewhere, right? The 610 candle was lower by 0.25. Yeah, just by a little bit. Barcelona. In small stadium, nice. Any code for funded next? I have a link for funded next. Vivian, inside bar is just a bar that stays inside the high and the low of the previous candle. So this one's painted as an inside bar. Yeah, I'll post that link in a minute. So it stayed inside the high and the low of the previous candle. On the 5-minute chart's what we're looking for. Funded next. Let me see. I know I got a code. I have a link with funded next. A link. Let me find my link. There's my referral link for funded next. BK, this is the 1 minute. But I'm on DX feed. But I'm also looking over here at the futures desk, and I don't see it on that chart either. But you see the 5-minute chart, there's no inside bar printed that I'm showing yet. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Going to be a take profit, or a Apex any size evaluation account. Guys, if you do want me to be able to do and take profit trader giveaway, we need 20 more sales for 50K accounts, 20 more sales. For 100K accounts, it's 150K accounts, it's only like 8 sales. Yeah, this is Quantower. So we need to sell 8 more 150K accounts with Take Profit Trader to do the giveaway for them, or 20 more 50K accounts. Let me see if I got anything in my credit bank. I don't. And remember, we are going to be doing a 12-hour stream tomorrow. That's the plan. But you can see here, show you guys, trying to get to $15,000 in sales for the month. You know, I struggled to get to this 15K. I don't quite know why, but a lot of other people get there way faster than me. But it's okay. I appreciate you guys. And I'll give you guys the entire 350K account test accounts. We'll give those away. As soon as we get 8 more sales on the 150Ks or 20 more sales for the 50K or like 22 sales for the 25Ks. Yeah. Looks like some coiling action on the bigger move. I think we dump. I'm looking for the rebalance mo on this 15-minute gap down here. I think if we rebalance this 500 level 490, rebalance that, then the upside's probably back in play. It's kind of what I'm thinking. I think it's a higher probability to wait for that rebalance. On day trade, am I allowed to trade PMI news? I think so. Day traders, we do need some help on day traders as well. Let's see, is day traders still 90% off? Let me see what the news is, or what their news stuff is. I think you can trade the news. I'm pretty sure. Okay, let me read it. Trading rules. No martingale, no hedging, no high frequency trading. You can DCA. News. Now, news and eval for sure, but I'm looking in the pro account. Let me see. I'm trying to see here. I don't see anything in here about news trading. I don't see anything about news trading. Let's see what we need on day traders. Woo, look at that push back up. Yeah, I still need 3 people to... I need 3 unique users to buy a day trading account. 3 people. In order for me to qualify to withdraw my affiliate money. So I need 3 people to buy a trade day account. It's $37. Let's start selling those shovels? Yeah. Sure, I'm glad I took profit there. That's a big bounce. I do think day traders... Are they still 90% off? They are. Yeah, they're still 90% off. Yeah, Alfred, you must have bought one before. I appreciate that. It's not showing you as a new user, so you must have bought one from me before. It has to be someone who has never bought an account from me before. So you can see what it shows. I've had 2 people this month buy accounts. 2 unique users. Day trader, slow boy. I need to have 5 users and 50 unique clicks. So we got the clicks, and we just need 3 more users. That's all. And you can see they owe me $594. It's not a crazy amount of money, but I've never had a payout from them for affiliates because they have these rules. Because you got to have 5 unique users and 50 clicks. So you can see I've never had 5 users or 50 clicks. It's kind of crazy they got that rule, but it is what it is. You got to adhere to it. You're like, oh, how hard is it to get 5 new users? Well, there you go. It's hard. So we're just waiting. June here only goes up. We will be going live, guys, at like in London session, maybe like it's either going to be 1:45 or 2:45. I'm not completely sure yet. AM, not completely sure yet. Oh, let me check Tradeify, guys. I had posted in the Discord about the Tradeify sale. And then I found out that my code was not giving the sell amount. Thank you, Toy. Yeah, it is an early start, Slow Boy, but we're going for the 12 hours. Let me check Tradeify. Anybody else? You're supposed to be able to get 40. Oh, wait. Is that sale already gone? Is the 40% sale done already? I don't know. $565's VWAP's right there at it. It didn't say how long that sale was. But it was like 40% off, but it turns out you had to use my link with the stock code to get the deal, which is stupid, but that's what they want you to do. Till the end of the 25th, was it? What's today? So it's still going, huh? So I need to post my Tradeify link in the Discord. Oh, I didn't do that correct. I didn't even know you could do that. That's interesting. I don't know why. Somebody, if anybody's looking, if somebody could just check to see if my code is working for the 40%. I don't know that it will. God dang it. How did I not get... Save. There we go. I got it. 12 hours strong. I'll try to stick with you bell to bell. All right, let's see. Saying hanging on the side, handing out the waters. Yeah. 40% off all accounts, one per customer. Offer ends August 25th. So that's tomorrow. So it ends tomorrow at midnight. So you'll have to use... You have to use the stock code, which I guess is... What is even the stock code? I don't even know. Let me try and see if that's still doing that or not. Let me try to put in somebody else's code. A code of secret variety. And let's see if it works or not. Start new. So this one's 244. And let's see what it is if I put the code in. Add promo code. See, that only gives 30% off. Yeah. Now let's see if we apply the other code. What was the other code? Yeah, I don't think it's August. I think it's something else. It was something else. Let me find it. Double top here, maybe a little push down. The code is one year, the number one and then the year. So let me try it. 1 year. Okay, so that works. Okay, so what you got to do is you have to use my link to get 40% off. Let me edit it one more time. And then edit this like 5 times. All right, let me go ahead and let me add everybody again on this since I changed all this. Will it not let me do that? I guess not. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, you have to use a referral link in the common code. So it's 1 year is the code. So if you guys were unaware, Tradeify is doing the 40% off. Use code 1 year, and here's my links in the Discord for the 40% off. So you have to hit my link and then use code 1 year to get 40% off one account. One use per customer. It's good through tomorrow. So, kind of annoying they do it that way, but what can you do? Pushing back up into this gap here. I mean, I don't think this is a horrible idea to kind of reshort this area again. But I'm not going to go back to the well. Yeah, I like them too. Alexi, me as well. I'm with you on that, but I do think this is it's a very good deal if you're going straight to funded. You can get a 25K account for $209 for straight to funded. That's pretty cheap. So you can go straight to funded for $209. Well, we are getting pretty close to a payout. We still got a ways to go on Tradeify. But we're creeping along. As you can see here, we're up $1,279 on it. Got to get to $2,100. We're under the consistency. We got the trading days. We just got to get the profit. And we'll be able to take out a $1,500 payout from them. So we only need $700, $800 more dollars. Hopefully we can get there this week some point. There's the push. We're going to do the giveaway, guys, in a few minutes. Max is over here banging on the door. Hold on, let me go let him in. This dog. You better not come in here and start barking, bud. All right, if you guys haven't already entered the giveaway, exclamation point cash. We're going to be doing the giveaway in just a few minutes at 7 o'clock Eastern. So, Starship launch in 53 minutes, maybe. I still don't think we pulled back far enough. I was looking for a sweep down into that 15-minute gap. Wait, let's look in the hourly gap. Is the hourly gap higher? Oh, it is. So we may not sweep down into this level because the hourly gap is up here. So we're already inside the hourly gap. I didn't realize that. So we don't necessarily have to go any lower. Get back above the previous day close here. This could be interesting. Or see what we have on the 2-minute chart. So yeah, you could kind of use the 2-minute chart here. It's cleaner. Close above the gap on the 2-minute. We probably retest 86. Let's see. Of course, not a whole lot of momentum here. You did sweep some liquidity. Maybe the top of the hour gives us a little indication as to what it's going to do. Guys, I will be on My Funded Futures TV on August the 1st. And we're going to have a special thing for you guys on August the 1st there. So that our channel specifically is going to get something special for 1 hour on August the 1st that no one else will have. Hey, it's the first time that's ever happened. It's the first time that's ever happened. I mean, yeah, September the 1st. No, I'm speaking. I was going back to the future. Yes. Yeah, September the 1st. So I was going backwards, Sean. I don't know. I forgot we were already in September. 90% off. That would be awesome, Alexi. But no, it's not going to be that. It won't be 90%. I don't know if I'll be on there by myself during that hour. I might be on there with Tom. I don't know. That might be the Tom Sabo stream. Which I was actually going to reach out to Tom about streaming together tomorrow. We might just do it in Discord voice. I'll have a couple of people on tomorrow during my stream to kind of keep me awake, to keep me alert. Actually, is the 1st a holiday, or is wait? Is that a holiday? Is that Labor Day? I don't know if that's a holiday. It might be. Is that a holiday? I don't know. Not in Poland. I think it might be a holiday here. I don't know. Yes, back to the VWAP here. It is a holiday. Okay, so I don't even know if it'll be that day. I don't know if My Fun Futures will be streaming that day. That's the day they gave me, but maybe they didn't realize that's a holiday, so it may be the next day. That'll be the next day. Let's see what happens. Markets closes at 1. Yeah, that'll be a day. I don't know that I'd want to be on there that day. I'd want to be on there a day where we can actually sling some counts around. Maybe the 2nd. Maybe the 2nd of September, not August. What are you guys talking about? Not August, September. Come on, guys. Don't get it right. You got to get it right, guys. Let me jump into the moose race. Got to try to win that account. You'll do better. Perfect. I hope so too, Tech T. I hope they come out with a Labor Day sales freaking like next weekend. Like come out with a Labor Day sale on Thursday or Wednesday, or actually this weekend. Like come out this week, Wednesday, Thursday, with a nice sale, right? I mean, like that'd be amazing. All right, guys, I'm gonna take this inversion if we get it over here on an eval. If we get it here on this candle. I'm going to go for like 10 points. Well, it's rejecting now, so we didn't get it. We did not inverse. No inversion there. 2 minutes until the giveaway is live, and we're going to do it. Exclamation point cash in the chat. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Use code MM on any of the prop firms that actually have the code MM. All of them. Take Profit Trader, Beulah Knox, Trade Day, Tradeify, My Funded Futures. Here, we'll just run them down. Day Traders is still 90% off. Tick still got the $99 straight to funded account. Use code MM. Funded Futures Network, not sure of the sale. Elite Trader Funding. Legends. Funding Ticks is also code MM. They've got the $50 all-in, no activation fee, 50K account. Lucid. Prop Shop. And, yeah. And then Futures Desk code is MMM. They got 50% off and 70% off the static. 50% off the end of day. And Apex is code Myth. Yeah, there you go. And we got the Funded Next link pinned at the top of the chat. I don't have a code for them. It's just a link. They've already said you can have it. Whoever wins, they've already said. Mo is the winner. Mo's the winner of the giveaway. Per Mo. Per no one else. Oh. Gary, I was just going off what Mo told me. I don't know, man. Mo said he's already the winner. Come on. Look at this thing go. Nah, slow boy, I haven't done the giveaway yet. I was just teasing. Oh, your cold hand, your cold dead hands. Oh my goodness. It might be Mo. Oh. If it is him, don't shout scam. Yeah. Retest the first presented and rejected. It did. Quite nice, too. Holding that 2 minute. Little 2 minute OB there, too. It kind of pushed up into. And from a fib perspective, it kind of pushed back up to the 50% there. Bam, directly. All right, let's do the giveaway, guys. Tick, what size account? It's a 50K account, Mo. Just be careful with Tick Direct. You know, I've heard some good things, some bad things. So it's up to you. So if you go to Tick Direct and you put in code MM, straight to funded account, you got to let me do it because I'm actually going to buy one too. I'm going to buy one myself. So you go to the 50K plan, straight to funded accounts. Trade of 8. Is it a straight to funded or a straight to funded plus? Let me find out. Maybe it is a straight to funded plus. I'm trying to figure it out with you guys. Straight to funded plus only. Okay. Straight to funded plus. Let me click on it. Trade of 8. Let's get the 50K. Don. So what you have to do, it's going to show you 202. But what you have to do is hold on. How was it? I forgot. You had to take something off last night, I remember. I was looking at it. What did you have to take off? It was one of those add-ons you had to take off. Let me see. Is it only Project X? Why is it not letting me click on anything? What the heck's going on here? They give you the no delay. Oh, they give it to you for a free add-on? Well, it's showing $200 right now when I'm trying to click on it. Free add-on. But it's showing me $202.50. That's not what it's supposed to be $99. Unless they already changed it. Let me see. Do you got to use the stupid stock code? Is that what it is? No. Same price. I'm trying to figure it out because I had loaded it up yesterday. Or the day before. Why is it? I don't understand why it's a different price. Sean, did you get Tradeovate? Sam, you're going with 100K, or are you asking a question about it? I'm going to do the drawing as soon as I figure this out. Give me just a minute. So you got Tradeovate, and it's showing a bundle of one account. Profit score must be higher, 10 or higher. I don't understand. Did they end the sale already? I guess they must have ended the sale. Oh, let's see. I don't know why, but it's showing 200. Showing 202. We're talking about Tick Tick. It says 65% off straight to funded. I don't think 449. Oh, god dang it, guys. I missed mine. All right, I'm long here. Healthier Life. I'm using just like the 9 EMA, the 21, the 50. I like the VWAP pivot points. That's pretty much it. All right, I'm long here. I've gotten one before, yeah, Sean, but not one for $99. I mean, it's been a long time since I used one. Is it only for new customers? Project X. Oh, so you got to do Project X. That's what it is. I knew there had to be something else. But Sean got, well, it doesn't matter to me. I can use Project X and still put it on, holy cow, pulling back on me here. God dang it. I could use Project X and still put it on, well, that still says 202. Yeah, you can use Project X on Trade Sinker. Anybody else getting the account for $99? Mine still shows 202. New customers only? I don't know. Eric Short. Eric's over here. Fade me, bro. Don't fade me, bro. Might be the play, though. I don't think we closed above that 1 minute gap yet. I just got in on the 2 minute, but we didn't close above the 1. Yeah, I probably should have waited. See if the ES can hold the VWAP. I don't know where the VWAP is on the Nasdaq. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Eric. I don't know why this thing is, that's weird. I do know. Who never purchased accounts before. Oh, well, that might be why. I have purchased an account before. Long ago. In a dark, dark room. Long ago. That must be why. That sucks. That means I got to pay more for it. Well, if I had the choice between Tick for 200 or Tradeify for 200, I think I'm probably going with Tradeify. Probably going to go with Tradeify there. All right, let's do the giveaway, guys. If you guys are not in there, you got just a little bit of time here. I'll give you guys one more minute. 11 after 7, I'm going to draw. One more minute. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Sean. I'd rather have Tradeify for that amount. Rather have Tradeify. God dang it. That thing just went right back above my entry and then rejected. Come on, bro. Get above there. Get above there, bruh. Bruh. Oh, goodness, guys. No. Yeah, it needs to make a new high here. It needs to sweep this high for me to feel comfortable. If it sweeps this high, then I'll be feeling better. It gave me just a chance to get out there, and I wasn't even paying attention. I don't like the slowness of this. All right, guys, here we go. Doing the giveaway now. And the winner is... Deshaun. Deshaun, are you here? You're only 5'7". Where is Deshaun? What is ICT? I don't know, man. Inner Circle Trader. Deshaun. ¿Dónde está Deshaun? He's the gone. Let me see if he's here. He says he's still here. Deshaun is here. Deshaun, send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Posted it right there in the chat. I need you to send me a screenshot of your YouTube showing me you're logged in. So just click on your picture, showing me you're logged in, and we'll get you verified and get you a code over for a Apex Any Size evaluation account. I hate how long this trade is taking. Yeah, I forgot about the drum roll. Dang it, I forgot. My bad. I forgot all about the drum roll. But guys, I am going to call it here a little early today because, again, I'm going to be doing 12-hour stream tomorrow, so I'm not going to stay on here super long tonight. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe. Deshaun, shoot me over that email. I'll get you the account. And we'll be back in the morning, either at 1:45 a.m. Eastern or 2:45 a.m. Eastern. I'm not sure what time I'm going to start, one or the other. I'm going to try to just do 1:45. I'm going to try to be in the bed and asleep by like 8:30 tonight. So we'll see. But if you guys want to help support the channel, use my code on any of the prop firms. And we'll be back tomorrow morning. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.